running in the night, afraid of what might be, hiding in the dark, hiding in the street, and of what was following me. Now hounds of love are hunting me. I've always been a coward, and I don't know what's good for me.